afternoon, class, and today we're going to be showing you several different types of chemical reactions that occur just in your kitchen with some baking stuff, just like these.
Henry, you can explain how the mixture is done.
So, right here we're going to be creating a heterogeneous mixture by mixing the cake mix with milk, with egg, and with oil.
Then we put 3 eggs in. Then we're going to put milk. And as we learned, most liquids tend to be cohesive to one another, so they make a little meniscus. Although we're mixing everything together, it's still not going to be a homogeneous mixture because all of them are different substances and solutes that are not part of each other.
So before Marisol pours the cake batter into the pans, she's going to spray the cooking spray onto the pans, because if she doesn't, then the cake will end up sticking to the pan due to chemical bonds that form during the endothermic reaction.
And in order to prove this, we're only spraying it on one of the pans because
every good experiment has a control.
Yep. And now we're going to put both of these inside the oven, which is preheated to 350 degrees, because there's no way you're going to cook anything on like 72 degrees.
350 degrees Fahrenheit, right?
Yep. Not Celsius or Kelvin, or we would be burning.
Here we're going to see how the endothermic reaction occurred within the baking cake, and how one of them stuck to the surface of the pan and the other one didn't, due to the chemical bonds forming in between the cake batter and the pan itself. The thing is that the pan had ridges that stuck to the cake batter, and right now when she pulls off the cake, you can see all the cake batter left inside the pan.
Okay, this is gonna come out backwards. Go.
And now this is the cake.
This is like, I don't even have to try to cut it.
Exactly.
Okay, whatever. Oh, well, I didn't put enough, but in comparison,
it was easier to take off than the one without any.
So now we're going to do one more physical change to the cake.
Actually, the first change was a chemical change, since the egg and the batter and the oil and everything else that was poured into it isn't able to change back. But this is a physical change. A non-stick cake fared out a lot better than the stick cake, even though they might look the same. And the bonds that were created in the bottom of the cake made it harder for both of us to pull out the cake.
So, to recap, chemical reactions are all around us. Like Hank Green once said, everything is chemicals.